Hello, welcome back everyone. Thanks for joining me. So this is going to be a collaboration for Summer Solstice, and it's organized by Gert Creates, Smarties Craft, and Wendy's Decorium. I'm not sure what I will be doing yet. It's summer, isn't it? And it's something that we are wishing over here down under because we're in winter and it's been so cold and raining. So I'm not too sure what I'm going to be doing just yet, but I've added a mixture of glitter all around the edges, and I'm going to mix just a little bit of resin, just a small coat over here, to add stickers or whatever else I decide to add on. So I've added a little bit of a pink mica, and it's just something I got in a packet of 8 in eBay. No name attached to it, as you can see. And I don't have to do much of anything because we all know that glitter tends to sink to the bottom. We will take some of the bubbles off. And we'll leave it at that. And then once that sets, I will do another coat. Okay, so I've mixed some more resin and I've added a couple of drops of white and some of that pink mica powder. It's mixed. And there goes nothing. And that's it. I'll give it a quick torch. And we will have to wait for it to set. Bye for now. All right, so I'm back. Sorry about the background noise, but they've decided to cut the grass in the park and it's very noisy. Very, very noisy. Okay, so this is it for it. Okay. I might actually put this one, but of course I'm gonna have to make it fit. Okay, so I think, oops, no. Sure there's no air bubbles on it. All right, now okay, so the butterflies are not stick-ons. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue behind it. And let it set before I do a coat of resin on it. And the reason why I do this is because they float. So if you don't glue them on beforehand, they'll come up. And I don't want that happening. I was going to add maybe something else to it, one of these, but I've decided against it. I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it as it is. Because we all love butterflies, don't we? Oh yeah, I might do that. And I'm going to do it in here. Okay, so this is it, but I'll let the glue dry and then I'll do one thin coat of resin over it. But I'm very happy with that. That is so pretty and very summery. Okay, bye for now. All right, so I've mixed some resin, huh? And now I'm going to do a coat of resin over it. Say that I have enough resin. I don't want a very thick coating of resin. All right, I think that will do it. Give it a nice little touch. That's it. And I will be back when it's set. Bye for now. Okay, so there's the finish. Look how pretty that is. I don't know whether you can see the glitter underneath, but it's very pretty. And with the leftover, I did this Thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure you watch all the other very talented artists in this collaboration. And stay magical. Remember, we all have magic in us. Bye for now.